guys, today's video, let's learn how we can recover deleted messages. So first of all, what you have to do is get logged into your Instagram account, then select three-bar icon, then select Accounts Center. So from these various options, you're going to have to select your information and permissions. And as you do that, you will see something called Export Your Information. Go ahead and open it. And as you do that, you will see a page like this. You will get directed to this page. So all you have to do is select Create Export. Now you can also select this current activity or past activity. Under current activity, it says your export won't include information that someone else shared. So these are the information that you should know. Select Create Export. If you have your Facebook and Instagram account connected, you will see various options. If you would like to recover a message from Instagram, just select Instagram from here. Now select Export to Device. And this is where the notification will be sent once the data or the file is ready. Then select Start Export and the process will be done. So guys, it might take around 2 to 3 business days depending upon how much of a data that you have. Go ahead, do that, confirm your action, and just like so, once the data is ready, you will get an email. Thank you for watching.